So, day 4. Today we woke up in my B&B above the pub and drove to Cliffs of Moher. I decided to skip the loop walk because that would actually give me another 2 hours detour, and to drive to Cliffs of Moher, that actually took 2.5 hours alone. So I already have done 3 hours today. Cliffs of Moher. The best thing was that it's actually a Christmas Eve today, so there's nobody working at the Cliffs of Moher, so they were actually totally free, and there were a lot of tourists. Compared to Kerry Cliffs, if you're to choose between the two, Kerry Cliffs to me was prettier just because you can get closer to the face of the cliff. But Cliffs of Moher, there's just more of them, and if you like hiking and walking, the hike along the cliffs is just phenomenal. It's really, really beautiful. One part of the hike was actually closed, so I couldn't do the full hike, so I just did the hike where you go on top of the cliff, and that was actually quite pretty, but very windy as well, so no drone footage here either, and there was just too many people. It's just such a touristy place. It's incredible. And then after that I drove to get some petrol. Finally, I ran out of petrol in this car, and I saw that actually Lahinch was not that far from the petrol station, and I totally forgot how amazing Lahinch is. It's just behind me, but in the background, it's absolutely beautiful surfing beach. There's 2 surfers in the water right now, I think, and there was some more. One of them was passing by, and I just like waved at him. And it's an amazing place. If you decide to stay somewhere, actually, when you're at Cliffs of Moher, would be really cool with Lahinch. I kind of forgot about it, but I also have friends in Galway, so I'm gonna stay in Galway tonight. So after this, I'm gonna drive to Galway. That's gonna take an hour and a half, and today's a Christmas Eve, so I actually have friends in Galway. I'm just gonna go in for a Christmas dinner. It's really nice. So I'm actually not gonna film so much for today, so this was actually quite a short day sightseeing wise, but it's gonna be quite a long day for me from now on because I have to find parking in Galway. This is gonna be a bit mental, I think. Yesterday was like finding a parking in Tralee was not such an issue. Okay, I'm not sure about Galway, so we'll see. Fingers crossed.